Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. So in this video we are going to see how we can check trial balance in Jainam Software. So just have a look. From the business summary, I will go to the trial balance, and from here I will just select the date for, let's say, 1st September to 19 October, and I will refresh. So here you can see that my trial balance is 6,31,190 is matching. So here you can see the opening balance, closing balance of company here. So for example, I want to check Bank of Baroda's transaction. I will click on Bank of Baroda. So here you can see that capital investment I have done 2 lakh in the 8th September of the 2020. After that, I will check the cash transactions. I will click on the cash. So here you can see the capital investment 3 lakh, principal paid to customer 50,000, principal paid to Juhi customer loan 325,000. So all this cash transaction you can check from here. In trial balance also you can check the all transactions. So after that, if I want to check this coffee expenses, I will click on coffee expenses. So here you can see that coffee expenses I have paid 500, that is the debit, on 27 September 2020. So after that, one by one I can verify, I can check whatever transactions I have done. So for, let's say, this is Janvi, I will just click on this. So here you can see that salary paid to this staff 10,560. So this salary is paid to Janvi on 30th September 2020. So this type we can check the all transactions and verify our entries from the Jainam software. So thank you friends for watching this video, and for more videos I will come back. And don't forget to like our channel from YouTube. Have a nice day.